campaigner, I just call him the evergreen of Calypso. The man who has won Road March many, many times and still holds the record as the Road March King of the World. Would you please put your hand together? Last night he did his presentation. Let's welcome Alwyn Roberts, better known as Kitchen Pan.
Don't tremble, a man try to tremble, a man tell of trouble, another earthquake. It's only December, I repair me trooper. Now all the dreams seem to shatter, ceiling cracking, walls keep tumbling, and look, the doors and windows they all break. Show you the power of this earthquake. When the tremor have we on the go, moving to and fro, we dancing, laughing, the vibration shaking up the ground. How we going around, we dancing, laughing, we felt the earth as it moved underneath. We were almost sure we would fall over. I tell them no, you don't have to worry. That tremor is a band competing in the savannah, but it's still balling.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I tell them, it's an earthquake, you hear it. It's renegades and despots jamming.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I remind them, don't be misled by that tremor. It's band jamming in the savannah.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I say, people, can't you hear the steel band rhythm? Pum, 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 pum. You have started crying. She complaining too. She said she get ruined. Tell me what to do. I have no insurance. I support my parents. Who is going to come to our assistance? I'm left to mourn. Everything gone. The quake destroyed the building completely. Not even a teacup to drink some tea. Well, the tremor have we on we go, moving to and fro, we dancing, laughing, the vibration shaking up the ground. How we going around? We dancing, laughing, we felt the earth as it moved underneath. We were almost sure we would fall over. I tell them no, you don't have to worry. That tremor is the band competing in the savannah, but it's still balling.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I tell them, it's an earthquake you're hearing. It's renegades and despots jamming.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I remind them, don't be misled by the tremor. It's band jamming in the savannah.
Earthquake, earthquake.
I say, people, can't you hear the steel band rhythm? Boom, 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 boom. Try to convince them it's not an earthquake, it's the steel band rhythm that causing the shake. They thought I was stupid, they thought I was wicked to think that they are uneducated. How could one band shake this big land? You see, like you cannot differentiate between a steel band and an earthquake. Well, the tremor, how we on the top, moving to and fro. We dancing, laughing, the vibration shaking up the ground. How we going around? We dancing, laughing. We felt the earth as it moved like a leaf. We were almost sure we would fall over. I tell them no, you don't have to worry. That tremor is the band competing in the savannah. They're still balling.
Earthquake, earthquake,
I tell them, it ain't no earthquake you're hearing. It's renegades and despots jamming.
earthquake, earthquake,
I remind them, don't be misled by that tremor. It's hand jamming in the savannah.
earthquake, earthquake.
I say, people, can't you hear the steel band rhythm?